Hi guys, today we're doing medium. So the Interminable Rooms tier list. It's my first time doing it, so yeah. So let's start. So we got fast boy, fast, normal boy, normal, medium boy, medium, kind of slow, slow boy. So I'm gonna test out the slowness, the speed. So yeah. So let's start with A10. A10 kind of goes medium. So I might say kind of medium speed, kind of. So I might go. Wait, he's kind of slow. So you might put him slow. So X10. So he's kind of like A10, but with more events. He's like speedy up, kind of. So I'm gonna put him to medium, and X610 is. Yeah, he's from the April Fools, so medium boy. A35. So A35 is kind of medium boy because he actually is like go faster than A10. You know that. If you didn't notice. X65, he's kind of like the same speed, but he's kind of like number S. So I'm putting in number. Meh. X35, yeah. It's kind of like. They're all kind of like the same speed. A50, it's literally A60s, but slow. So I put in slow, but you know, kind of slow. A60 OG. I'm putting it into medium because it's like A50. It's actually A60 faster than A50, so yeah. X60. So I feel like X60 has two faces on him, and I feel like he goes really fast, so I'm putting him to normal. Yeah, X60 he has 3 heads. I didn't notice that, so I might put him to the exact same. AID, it kind of slow, so I might put him to medium. Now we got the old version. I say he kind of fast if you touch him, but I might put him to slow boy. Because he doesn't move. Actually, I should have put like an extra one. Hold on. Below. Don't move. Yeah. So put that. I'm gonna make it to put him there. There you go. A100. So A100 is faster than all these entities. So I'm putting it into kind of that. Now I got A200. A200 is right here. Now the Talab's kind of fast a little bit, so I might put him to kind of slow. Now we got the old version of it. Now we got A150. I mean, he's kind of fast to check lockers, so I might put him to medium boy. A200. Oh god, he's fast, so I might put him to normal boy. A200, he's like the opposite of all these entities, like A10 and yeah. So I might put him into medium. And A220. Yes, yeah. And now we got the X version. The X version is faster. So, okay, now we got the official. Put him into A245. He's literally just fast. I'll put it into fast. Because why not? Let's just slow boy and then just let's go. I just gotta put the A10 like that. This minion's supposed to go there and there. Yeah. Okay. Now I feel like we got this one. I think. I know. So I feel like A246 will go into he's the kind of similar to A200 in a bit, but what the heck was that? Hello. Xena just scratching the wall and scratching herself. Okay. Didn't notice we have Xena in the house. We have it like a long time ago. You know, this is like an old time that Xena exists. She's a black and white cat. no offense. So A247, it's the same. This one's trusted. And don't move. Yeah. Yep. We haven't put into you go too fat. Wait, hold up. And don't you something? We'll go into the section. Lab, I'm sorry, but you gotta go here. No boy, I guess. And Billy is the same. So Billy, you go there. But really, yeah. Put it. Come on. Not in fast, okay. Let me just put you. And Billy, you go slow. Wait, hold up. And don't move. April Fools, don't move. For A300. Right. Okay, you A232 is fast. For no reason. A350, he does bombs and he goes really space, so like a long space, like beep, 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 and it just speed up and then stop. Yeah, A404. You know what? This guy is really fast to the point where I die. I don't know where he is. So, fast boy. And we got E1. So E1 is kind of slow. XE1, yeah, and you go right there. Wait, what? No, not this. You don't show that, please. Nah. A22 will go into here. Okay, he slow. Yeah, E60. He's the same as A60, I might put him at the higher speed. Oh my god. With the put you here. Now we got A44. Wait, E144. We'll go right here. Wait, no, except same speed. A200, E200, we'll go the same speed. B5, he jumps like this. Yeah, just like that. Look. Beep, beep. Funny. Speed with. Yeah, put that right there. Because he. Wait, hold up. Okay. V200. So, I feel like he's the exact same speed as A10%. V35. Wait. Yeah. V50. Oh my god, he's the exact same, but he actually goes slower, so. Kind of slow. So, U5, yeah, so I feel like he's the exact same speed as A10. Now we got U10. U10 is the opposite of A10. He is kind of the same speed as X10. U40 will go into the higher one. Wait, 835? No. U80. Okay, I might put him into. Wait, no. And this U200 will go over there. And then this bad boy, A60 buddy, will go over there. A200, this big guy right here, will go on fast. Now we got this one, which is, I don't know what that face is, but who would have thought of you selection? Like, why would you come up with these faces? Like, for a U230, what the heck? It's like creepy. Wait, what? I don't know, new tab. Shut up. I'm just kidding. Let me put him to there. Fireblad, which is U260. Put him to higher. And, oh my god, he's literally just, U300 is gonna be fast. Okay, this guy with A100 eyeballs. We're going higher. Wait, no, right here. Now I got his clones. It's actually put him right here. Yeah. Now we got A400, U400. Obviously. Why do you even keep on saying A? I'm supposed to say you. What? That's not me. Put him into here. Now we got Noah. Noah, bye. You suck. Kinda slow. Might put him to here. So, Johnny boy, Johnny go fast because you can. Don't move. He don't move. Trollface. He don't move, but he goes out around your screen and just stopping you from your life. And then if you move, then he goes to your face. Now we got trophies. The actual trophies. Let me put them to here. Fast forward. And then the last key glitch. He is the fastest and the high and the god. Put it here. So here's what my board looks like. I don't know if it's success or not, but rated as a 10 out of 10. Also told, I don't know. But, so I feel like that's gonna be it for the video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for 10 minutes. So bye.